Are you trying to choose between uh, Vue, React, and Angular? It can be tough with so many options out there. In this video, we'll break down these three popular frameworks to help you decide which one is right for you. All three tools are used for building web applications. They help developers create interactive user interfaces. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, making them suitable for different projects. Let's start with Vue. Vue is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It's great for beginners and allows for quick development. Vue has a gentle learning curve, which makes it easy to pick up. It also offers flexibility, letting developers structure their projects as they like. Now, let's talk about React. React is a library created by Facebook. It's very popular and has a strong community. React uses a component based architecture, which means you can reuse code easily. It's perfect for large applications that need to be scalable. Plus, it's fast and efficient. Finally, we have Angular. Angular is a full fledged framework developed by Google. It's powerful and comes with a lot of built in features. Angular is great for complex applications but can be more challenging to learn. It uses TypeScript, which adds a layer of complexity but also improves code quality. When comparing these three, the main differences lie in their complexity and flexibility. Vue is simpler, React is flexible and reusable, while Angular is robust but more complex. In terms of pricing, all three are open source, so you won't have to pay for the frameworks themselves. However, the cost of development can vary based on the skills required. So, who should choose what? If you're a beginner, go for Vue. If you want a scalable solution, React is your best bet. For larger, more complex projects, Angular is ideal. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech insights.